Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's me, Winston, yes, honey, it's now live. What's up Twitter family? What's up YouTube family? Okay guys, so welcome back everyone. Welcome back guys to another amazing bake with me guys. Yes, I know I haven't done it in a while. So we are back. Okay, so today we're making Pillsbury Funfetti strawberry cupcakes guys. Yes, look at it. Pillsbury Funfetti strawberry cupcakes, guys. Look. Okay? So the first thing that we're going to do, we already washed out our bowl here. We're going to put our batter in this bowl right here. Okay? We have already preheated our oven to 350 degrees. Make sure you do that. Okay, and then this is strawberry mix, guys. Okay, so we want to get the first thing we're gonna pour. We're gonna get some cold water. Okay, and we have our measuring cup, so we need 1 cup of water. Okay. So we're going to pour 1 cup of water in here. Alright. Okay, that's a cup of water right there, guys. Okay. Alright, so 1 cup of water. Okay. And then we need about 1/4 of cooking oil. Okay. Okay. So that does it with the oil. All right. So that's the oil. Okay. All right, and then we're just gonna put this in here. All right, and then we need 4 eggs, guys. 4 eggs. So we're gonna crack them over here. Okay, so that's 1 egg. 2 eggs. 3 eggs, and this is the 4th one. Okay, so this is 4 eggs. Okay. All right. Okay, now we're gonna mix, guys. Okay. All right, there we go. All mixed. Okay, now This is our cupcake stand right here. You guys see that? We're gonna spray these. Okay, let me just wash this out. Okay. We're gonna spray this pan. Alright. Okay. And then we're gonna put we're gonna scoop just enough to put in here. Okay. Just enough to put in. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna work on the second one. We're gonna put them in the oven at the same time. Make sure you have your pan spray, guys, when you're using a pan like this. Okay. All right. Okay. And that's it. So we're gonna put these in the oven, guys. Okay, guys. So we're gonna put those in the oven, and then the next time we come back, we'll put the icing on them. As you guys can see, I still have some more here, so I will put those in the oven as well. All right. What's up, YouTube family? What's up?